Hi there, welcome back to my channel and our market update here for El Paso. Luis with Center Real Estate, and we're looking at the statistics, the market trends for the El Paso, Texas real estate market. These numbers come from the MLS, Greater Association of El Paso Real Estate Association, and these numbers are lagging. We're looking at September, but these numbers are really reflecting what happened in August, which is just normal for any statistics. So if you're looking to buy, looking to sell, this information will be useful for you. And maybe curious about what's going on in the real estate market with this election coming up. Let's get started with this. Here we're going to start with median price point. Median price point is a number. What's the median price of homes that sell in a city? So for El Paso for this month, we're looking at about 264. Okay, so that number is actually been pretty stable over the months, probably over 12 months. It's been very stable. It's dipped a little bit, it's gone up a little bit, dipped a little bit, but as a whole, if you see a graph, it's going to be trending up real slightly, and it's trending up. There's a statistic nationally, home prices went up about 5.7% this last 12 months. That's not something that maybe you might be in a market where like, hey, well, homes are dropping, or you might say my home's not appraised at all, but this is an average. Remember, this is an average. Even in our city, things are different in different communities than other communities. Depends on the demand, depends on the competition, how many homes are on the market. That's all a factor. But overall, just so you're aware, the market is trending up with median price points. So homes are going up slightly. This thing where homes are not selling or anything else, markets, just like everything else, we're going through inflation, homes are going up in price as well. Next thing here is closed sales. Closed sales is a number of homes that sold. So that last month for August, we had 718 homes sold. It's about 7.8% drop from a previous month, okay? So it's kind of funny because home prices are kind of trending up, pretty stable, but then the actual home sold is dropping. So what's the answer for that? So remember, real estate is a very cyclical type of business. So it's not like every month the same number of homes sell, every month the same people are looking for homes. It's very cyclical and depends on what's going on or what time of the year it is. Like for example, if we look at this, remember this is from August. So late July, usually kids go back to school in our area. Kind of the go back to school is staggered from mid-July till early August throughout different school districts, different schools. So that tends to slow down the market. So people go back to their routine. They're trying to get their kids into their activities, their school, homework, and a lot of times that the market slows down. And we are seeing that slowdown for this early September, late August. We saw a slowdown in the market, and it's not something scary. It's something quite normal. I predict like later in the month, later in September, we're going to see an increase again in sales and maybe price point as well. So that's just the trends that we see in our local market here in El Paso. So that is home sold, not to worry. We should pick up here before the end of the year. Active inventory dropped a little bit, so we're about 2,711 homes that are listed, that were on the market. So that also trend down. Homes sold over the market. Most people don't put their home for sale in the month of September. Same reason. They don't want to deal with kids going to school and then have showings, etc., making a move. So that's pretty normal as well. I also will see that increase in a little bit. So if you're thinking, hey, maybe I missed the summer market, it's a good time to look at like your timelines. Look at it's a good time to start prepping to sell a house this fall. The market for El Paso in fall is actually a very good. And then surprisingly too, median days on market, the number went up. The homes are sitting on the market a little bit longer, but it's still not too crazy. We're still under 30 days. We're at 25 days average on the market. So that is a very good number. It's still a market that is very leaning towards home sellers versus home buyers. Why? Because there is not a lot of options of inventory. There's times we go out, we look at houses, our home buyers don't really fit their needs. What we're looking at, hey, there's no more options this day to look at. So we might have to wait a few days, maybe till next week, to see what other homes are available for our home buyers to look at. So it is still a tight inventory for homes when it comes to buyers. And then funny enough, like average median price point went down a little bit, and then median price per square foot went up a little bit. So that again solidifies what I said earlier, where the market is still increasing in value. So our median price point is median price per square foot is $157. And then lastly, the last statistic that we have here, new listings. So new listings, it kind of contradicts us. There's active listings where some homes, there wasn't a lot of sales, but new listings is actually up a little bit. It's up like 9%. And I have seen this in the last few weeks also where there's more homes that are hitting the market. Not a lot, not enough to what we need, but it was a little bit higher than the end of the summer. So that number there is 1,074 homes hit the market this last month. And it might sound like a lot if you're not in tune with the market, if you don't know what's out there, but it's not really a lot. I guarantee you there's way more than 1,000 people looking to buy a home in the city of El Paso today. There's way more than that. It's just people don't have a lot of options to look for. So that's a number to consider. We should have way more homes. We should have about maybe 3,000 homes available in a healthy market. So that's the statistics for our real estate market in September. Remember, if you know anybody that's looking to buy or sell in the real estate market here in El Paso, share this video with them. Let me know in the comments what you think and how you think this election is affecting the real estate market.